Hey guys, Samantha Salon is now going live with Nandini Sen on her topic called Cope with Hope. Yep, just first time on Insta. Hang on, here she is. One sec. Sorry, first live Insta story, waiting for Nandini to connect. Bear with me.
Hi. So this is the first time?
This is the first time and I'm very excited. I was like, wow. Can you believe the first time Samantha Salon and Samantha has gone live on Insta?
Yay!
Yeah. What a way to start, right?
Yeah, amazing.
How are you, Nandini? Looking
I'm
lovely as
very
well.
good. Thank you. Look at you, yeah.
Oh, I'm very
Awesome.
excited. I woke up this morning. I said, today is going to be a fun day. Something fun to look forward to from the usual new routine that we all have.
Yeah. So, I mean, everybody, you know how awesome Sam is.
Oh,
I mean, from the day I met you, you've just been too awesome, Samantha.
oh,
You've taught me so much about my hair.
oh, thank you. Really, I'm
And
telling you, it was like love at first sight. I also think it's the same birthdays and everything.
yeah. Oh, yeah, guys, we share the same
Yeah,
birthday.
yeah, Nandini
Yeah.
and Sammy have the same birthday. Yeah. But
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
tell me, your hair's looking amazing though. I see you've been,
You know,
yeah.
when I come there and tell you what I've been doing, you are not going to be very happy with me. But still.
Oh, I'm waiting for that day, really.
And you know, it's so long. It's like
I can't,
super long.
it's not even
It's
fitting in the frame.
it's
It's
down
that
to
long,
my. This
Nandini,
is
and I
how
mean,
long it is.
yeah, exactly.
Down to my hips. And I've stopped complaining. So guys are always complaining to Sam, my hair's too long, my hair's too long. And one day she said, okay, now that's it. And after that, I stopped complaining.
Yeah, you have nothing to complain about, Nandini. People would kill to have hair like yours, really.
Okay.
Blessed.
Yeah. Well, I'm blessed to know you and have you manage my hair. That I can tell you. And I'm really missing the salon. I'm missing
Oh, I
all
miss
of
it too.
you. Yeah, yeah. I don't know now when we're going to be there again.
I don't know. Soon. I'm just being, we're all being positive and,
Yes,
hoping it all goes back to normal soon.
yes. So now tell me, Samantha, for the past 36 days, I think it's now, what have you
For
been doing
me,
with your time?
I think for me it's been almost 40 something days. I've stopped counting. But
Uh-huh.
yeah, what have I been doing with my time? To be honest, Nandini, I've been quite busy because we don't have the usual help that we're used to. So,
Yes.
tend to do everything on our own. Jason and me have been doing a lot of cooking. I can proudly say I can cook now.
Yeah, so like what kind of things?
Just everything that we like, whatever we feel like eating, you just go onto YouTube and then just go for it. So we've been cooking a lot and yeah, we've been busy though.
So
But
besides cooking,
besides cooking, I've been watching a lot of Netflix, all of us and our TV. And yeah, I've just been going and doing a lot of, I've been trying to do a lot of hair, like learn a lot of about hair color and stuff, learn some more. So using this time to brush up on my skills as well.
so have you recolored your hair this time?
So I quickly did my roots the other day. I couldn't look at myself anymore. Like, okay, time to do the roots. So it's the first time ever in all these years of hairdressing I've ever colored my own hair. And yeah, I
Really?
did. Yeah, I managed to do it.
Was it difficult?
So Jason Masbin had to stand behind with another mirror. And yeah, I was holding sections and trying to get into the back of my head.
So you think you've trained him?
I
Has
have.
Jason been?
I
Okay.
have to say though, he's the only groomed man in the world. I think right now because Mr. has been having his haircuts every 10 days, 2 weeks. He's been getting his trim done, his beard, shave, everything. So yeah, he's
Wow.
all groomed. Yeah,
Thanks to you.
really. All
And
groups and nowhere to go.
recently you did a color for him as well, right?
Yes, I did.
What
Platinum
fun!
blonde, yeah. We don't have grey hair, but we want to have that all silver look. Yes.
Yeah, well, I saw the photograph and he looks pretty awesome, I must tell you.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
besides this, what about your exercising? I know you love that.
I love it. So of course, I miss going to my class because 4 days a week, my day would start at 6 a.m. I'd go for my workout and everything. But now I work out from home. The online videos, there's so much out there. So I make sure I like do my 15 to 20-minute workout every
So,
day.
like, what kind of workouts do you
So,
do?
so I usually do mixed martial arts and kickboxing, but I do a lot of, my trainers have their videos online and yeah,
Oh, great.
yeah,
Wow.
so I do it. I make it a point, to do it every day. I enjoy it. I start my day with it. Okay, get all charged up and yeah. And it
So
keeps
Jason
me,
says, you keep your, so Jason says, thank you for the everyday grooming. Sorry, sorry to have, stopped you. So
I
you
love
make sure
that.
that you, thank you for the everyday grooming. Yes, you
Love
better
it.
be thankful, Jason.
Love it. Love it.
But so to tell me, I cut you off at that time. You were talking about your kickboxing. It keeps your
Yeah,
mind sane.
I love it. It's like, how people love their yoga. It,
Yeah,
centers them. I love this. I love punching that bag and just
yeah.
cooking and everything. It's
So
amazing.
you have a bag you
No,
punch
no,
or
no. So that
mentally?
I've not been doing the kickboxing at home. My trainer's given me a few exercises and different sets. And I also do a lot of the body coach, this guy Joe Wicks, all his
Uh-huh.
workouts on his channel, which are pretty fun.
Yeah, like what is the body coach? What is it all
It's his
about?
channel. He's called the Body Coach. His name is Joe Wicks,
Okay.
and he's like a nutritionist, trainer, everything. And
Wow.
yeah, he believes in eating well and working out. So you don't have to be on any diet, nothing. You just eat what you like and exercise.
That's what I love about you, Sam.
Yeah.
I mean, you look super hot all the time, but I do know that you eat
I
yummy
love
food
my
as well.
food, Nandini.
Yeah.
I really I love my food.
Yeah. I think that's a real lesson to send out there to everybody. It's a good example of,
Of course.
loving your body and nourishing
Of
it in every
course.
way. Yeah.
Yeah, and by loving your body, you have to like put in all that yummy food that you enjoy. You can't
Yeah.
say no to it. And now I can make it as well, so I can cook, Nandini.
Next time we
Well,
come to the
Jason does
salon.
most of the cooking. I'm like the sous chef.
Oh, you're the sous chef. So
Yeah.
you're good at chopping and things?
Yeah. It's just that now I don't have a scissor in my hand. It's a knife, but yeah.
So I have this little gizmo my yoga teacher got for me. That's Meeta if you're here. So she got me this little round gizmo where if you
Okay.
just quarter the onions, you can put them in and you just pull a
I
string.
saw that on one of the
It's
cooking
awesome.
shows. Nandini, I really want to get myself one of those
You must. It
post-lockdown.
is awesome. And of course, Umang has a blitzer, which is
Yeah.
very fancy. And that's also awesome. So, you know what? Cooking has become different because one thing I didn't like is going into the kitchen and cutting those onions, chopping the garlic. But with this little plastic gizmo that Meeta got for me, yeah, cooking is a
Simple as
dream.
that.
Yeah. So I think we're all learning new ways of doing things for ourselves.
Completely. So self-sufficient and
Yeah.
I like it. I mean, I enjoy it though. You appreciate everything
Much
so
more.
much.
Yeah.
The work. Just your cooks, your cleaners, everybody that does that work now.
Yes.
It's hard work.
It's really hard work. So a friend of ours said that he's going to definitely leave lots of money for his maids in his will now that he
Of
knows
course.
what they're all about.
They
Yeah.
make your house.
Yeah. Absolutely.
They do.
Absolutely.
They
And
do.
stuff what some of them are going through. Like my maid lives in a zone which is like a red zone. And she's a small room. She can't get out of her room because the cops are really strict with them. So you
honestly,
really
Nandini,
feel
like,
for them.
you feel, and I don't know. We all like we should just feel so blessed, all of us. I think more
Yes.
than anything, I'm just grateful during this time.
Yes.
Instead of whining about work or anything, forget it. Just be thankful that
Yeah.
you got everything.
Exactly. And you're on an extended honeymoon. You and
Completely.
Jason.
I used to always complain to him and say, I wish there were more hours in the day. Like we just have no time for ourselves, and now you have it.
Yeah.
So, I feel like Samantha again. It was, your day starting early and just work, 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 work. I
Yeah.
just feel like, you do things that make you happy at your own pace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're looking very fresh and happy, let me tell you.
Can I tell you, from 6 a.m. mornings, it's now 10 a.m. Nandini, I don't know how I'm going to get back to the group. Wake up so late. I've been sleeping.
You obviously
Afternoon
needed
naps.
to. Wow.
Yeah, I love it. I love my afternoon naps. Just love it.
That's awesome. So tell me something in the lockdown there. I mean, are you just at home most of the time or
Yeah.
you can go down or anything? No.
We've just been home. We just get out once in a while to do
Yes.
the odd grocery run, but luckily everything comes to your doorstep now.
Yes.
So we don't really need to get out.
Yeah.
So,
And I think it's important to follow all the rules. I know many people aren't, but
yeah,
that's really not on.
as much as I would get down and go for a walk through the lovely streets of Bandra, I mean, it's locked down. So
Yes.
just stay in
Stick-
as much as
Stick
you
to
can.
the rules.
Of
Yeah.
course. Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, I left the house after about 10 days the other day, just go to Mum's down the road to pick up something. Wow. Just, I've never seen Bandra like this. I feel like I'm in
Yeah.
Goa or somewhere.
Yes. Yes.
Beautiful and green and the birds. It's just stunning.
Even our side of town, which has always been so noisy recently,
Yeah.
suddenly there's so many birds and everything. You open the windows and you can breathe in fresh air.
Completely.
It's lovely.
Completely. It is. It
Yeah.
is. So the good.
Yeah,
Let's
so
come
like
out
we
of
are
it.
really blessed. And
Yeah.
as you said, we have to count our blessings all the time. And
Completely. Completely,
Yeah.
Nandini. We must.
yeah. And tell me, what have you been watching on Netflix?
So I just finished the show in yesterday. I binge watched it called Never Have I Ever. It's quite cute. It's about this Indian girl abroad. It's made by Mindy.
Mindy Kaling. Yeah,
I love
want to
her.
watch it.
I love her. It's very cute. I binge watched it in a day. Finished that. Then this other show on Netflix called Afterlife with Ricky
Yes.
Gervais. He's amazing.
Isn't it
It's
an
a nice
awesome one? Yeah, it's
I
nice.
love
And
it. Did you watch
he's
it?
very good. Yeah, long ago. He has a very clever mind.
Yeah. So season
and
2
there's-
is just out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So season 2 is just out. So I finished that. It's a little sad, but he's funny at the same time.
Yeah, yes.
And what else? I've just finished. We've been watching a lot of shows, as you can see. The Trials of Christine Keeler, this model from the 60s.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So just finished that.
Okay.
Yeah. Quite a bit of TV also.
So Marion says, nuns, the birds were always there. We just don't hear them. It's
That's
true.
true. Really.
Yeah. So, and forget just the birds. I feel, like this every day I wake up with one word on my mind. So today, Sam, I woke up with the word forgiveness.
Okay.
And-
Wow.
and
It's
the- and
a
the-
strong word.
It's a very, very strong word. So tell me what is forgiveness? And that's the word I bring to the interview that day. What is forgiveness?
It's a feeling of letting go in a
Yes.
way towards just letting go of emotion and I feel like it's letting go
Yeah.
towards a
It's like
person.
letting go of a
And
heavy burden,
It
right?
is. It's like it's difficult to do. It's not the easiest thing to do at
No.
all.
No.
Let me tell you, but
Yeah.
and I think it's something that it's important that
Yes.
one should focus on
Yes.
forgiving because you have one life. You know,
Yes.
you yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's a powerful word. My gosh, I'm just like getting lost and thinking
It is a powerful
about it.
word.
It is.
And you know, the whole morning, it just kept coming. Forgiveness,
Yes.
forgiveness, forgiveness.
Yes.
And I was just thinking
Life
that
is too short. That's what
life
I
is too
feel. You know,
short.
when
And it's also a process. It doesn't
yeah.
happen on day one. On day one, you realize,
Oh
oh
no,
my
not
God,
at all. It can take a day. It can take 5 years. It can take 10 years.
years. Yeah, yeah. And then when you look back at the situation, it doesn't hurt that heart anymore,
Yeah, it
isn't
doesn't.
it?
Yeah,
Yeah. Actually, it's very, very, very freeing because with forgiveness, it's like a burden being lifting off your heart,
completely.
isn't it?
Towards both the people, especially, you know,
Yes.
the
And
person
yourself.
forgiving. Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Yeah. You
Completely.
may not forget what's happened, but it
Always.
frees
They say,
you
yeah,
from that
yeah.
event.
Yeah.
It
That term,
frees,
no? Yeah, you can forgive, but you can't forget. It's so
yeah.
true.
You may not forget because you may be slightly wary of things,
Yeah.
but I think emotional maturity, the more mature one is emotionally, the
Completely.
easier it is to forgive and to
Oh,
then be
yeah.
happy.
Yeah,
And
of
then,
course. And we change every few years. I mean, like
isn't
I don't feel
it?
like I was the same person 2 years back, forget 5 years back. You know,
Isn't it?
yeah, we grow as people.
Yeah. I read somewhere that happiness and love holds no grievances. When you're happy, you don't have
Yeah,
time to say have little these grudges, and bitterness,
yeah,
because you're just happy. Like the
yeah,
sun makes you happy,
yeah.
and isn't it?
It's the little things, and especially I feel during like these past 30 to 40 days or whatever,
Yes,
everybody, I feel, has
it's the
gotten
little
that little
thing.
thing, you know, of appreciating the little things
The
around
little
you. And
things, exactly.
yeah.
It's the delight in the little things.
Yeah, you look
It's
back at, oh, that was bothering me. I mean, how could that bother me?
yeah,
You know, look at
yeah,
it's
yes.
changed the way we think. I feel completely.
It's really true. It's that emotional maturity. A friend that I'd interviewed told me that. She said, I wish I talked about the little things more in my interview. Because
Yeah.
actually that's what's kept me going at this time. It's those little things that we don't give importance to.
Oh yeah, completely, completely.
Because you're
It is.
rushing here, rushing there. Right.
Yeah, yeah. We just pace ourselves. I think we've just been pacing ourselves and focusing on everything. Like this
Yeah.
morning, I woke up. I was excited. I woke up. I was like, I had my interview with Nandini today. Did my
Yeah.
workout, had breakfast. Made lunch. Just
What did
like
you have for
excited.
lunch?
Ah, Jason made pasta.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh,
he made a yummy
yum.
pasta with all the works. I
So
made
by
him
the
a smoothie
time,
for breakfast.
oh, like with what? With what in it?
Yummy. So blueberries, almond milk, peanut
Yum.
butter, a little bit of my
Yum.
protein powder, oats, whole mix.
Yummy. And you?
Yeah, that's what I had.
You had that too.
Yeah,
With
yeah,
coffee, I'm sure.
of course.
You and your
Me and my
coffee.
coffee, Nandini. My gosh, I love my coffee. I love every time you walk into the salon, I think you see me now with a cup of
Yeah, with
coffee
your coffee. Yeah.
running up and down.
Yeah, yeah, with your
So
coffee and your and every time I see you there, you have the most amazing footwear and the most amazing clothes. I mean, you're just too trendy, Sam.
thanks, Nandini. I love dressing up. You know me, I love it.
Yeah.
Even during lockdown, I have to say, like the first few days, I was in my sweats and just walking around, and I said, I can't see myself like this anymore. So now
Yeah.
I get ready for the day. You know, even though I have nowhere to go, I mean, my grandmother always did that. My mother does that.
Yes.
Just get out of
I,
your pajamas and your
I
sweats.
agree. It's also a birthday thing. Because I've
Yeah,
always dressed up. Even if I'm
yeah,
home, I'll wear a little
yeah.
lipstick, I'll put on a little
Yeah,
makeup.
of
And
course.
all my life, I've had people say, where are you going? And I said, nowhere. I mean, you're dressed up like this for the house. I say, yes. I think that's important for
Of
yourself,
course, it is
isn't it?
completely, completely. I think Benaz is watching. Benaz, I
Hey,
did the brows
Benaz.
today.
Benaz, you telling her that you did the brows today. Because she'll
She'll be
catch you.
proud. Yeah, he'll catch me otherwise. So cute.
Yeah, we have to do all our own inner grooming. I miss Benaz's jokes. I miss you
She's
joking.
watching now. Yeah, she's
Yeah. I miss you, Benaz.
oh, all the way in Oman. There,
Oh,
hi
she's in
girls.
Oman?
Yeah, there
Hi,
she just said
hi,
hi
hi.
girls.
Benaz has her brows on in her sleep. Kim.
Go, Kimmy, really.
Oh, God.
So cute.
See, Raj is saying she does them every day.
Yeah, every day.
Yeah, every day
Every
she
day.
she plucks them. Hey, I'm going to look this Benaz. I'm
Perfect.
going to call you after this and take a tutorial
Benaz,
on
you need to
eyebrows.
do a tutorial for all of us. Come on.
Can I interview you, Benaz, and we'll do a tutorial at the end of it for eyebrows? I swear. I'll ask you some very pertinent questions about cope with hope, and then we'll end with that. I promise you, because it's all part of life,
It
isn't
is, it
it?
is.
What do you say?
No, I feel like it's important to just get up and just put on a little bit of lipstick and just
Yeah.
wear a cute, comfy outfit. And
Yes,
just, yeah.
isn't it?
No, really,
Maybe,
the first week I was just feeling like, oh, in those sweats every day, and
yeah,
enough is enough.
yes. So tell me, Sam, if you were to tell people over here, what you think is the best way that you figured out to deal with this time and not to overload yourself perhaps with too much of the news, too much TV about, like COVID, constant WhatsApps. How have you
Yeah.
dealt with it?
So to be honest, Nandini, I was reading, I was on all my apps reading the news and the updates every now and then I said no, because then the WhatsApp groups and everything, it was getting too much. So
Yes.
I read the news. I read it once every day.
Yes,
But,
yes.
I don't, like I told my mom and all of the groups, I'm like, just for my own sanity, just send me the happy things. Don't send me the forwards.
Yes,
It gets too much. So, yeah, you have to just, also, it's not something that you can say, why me and why now? The whole world is dealing with it.
absolutely.
Every single person is dealing with it. It's something that everyone is dealing with together. So you just have to just focus on everything else
Yes.
and not let it get you down. Initially,
Absolutely.
when the lockdown just started, and it was the first time I ever had to shut shop, put the shutters down and do that in 8 years. So I was worried. I said, what now? I'm
Yes.
a small business owner and you have responsibilities and stuff. But, a month and a half later, you look at the other side of everything.
Yes.
I feel blessed and I am home and, enjoying family time, and you have to look at it like that.
Absolutely. And as you said, you do not read the news, like you're informed.
I do.
Yeah.
I do, but I just
you
don't read it as
overwhelm
much as I
yourself.
was.
Exactly.
And I think now the forwards and all have reduced. Don't you feel like all those
You know,
SMS? I feel
I
like it's
thought-
reduced a lot.
I delete everything from
Yeah.
day one. I'm not interested in forward.
Yeah.
I'm interested in you.
Yeah.
Like you
Yeah.
tell me about you. Because
Yeah.
information I'll get from the news when I
Yeah.
need to.
Yeah,
And too much negativity all the time never helps the mind anyway.
exactly. I like it when I like it when people talk about, so many have recovered. So many people
Yes.
have gotten out of hospital,
Exactly.
People should talk about how many tests are being done, not...
Yes. And come on, I think our government has been very, very responsible and accountable. Like we are millions and millions of people. And this,
population is
yeah.
easy.
And that's why I think, we should, definitely follow the rules and I feel blessed that we have the lives we have and we are being
Yes.
taken care of in this way. And of
Yes.
course, you can pick holes in many things.
Yes, of
You can
course.
criticize many things.
Of course.
But I think for this moment, this is really good enough.
Yeah, it is. It
Okay,
is.
now some quick rapid fire questions,
What fun.
because before I
Nandini, your plants are looking so pretty. I can just see them. It's a
I love plants.
How lovely.
So you know Firoza, right? My friend
Of
Firoza.
course.
She's the one who actually you told me, no, you can't go. I was going somewhere else for my hair. And she said, no, you can't go. You have to go to Sam. And that's when I called you and said, so she's taught me how to look after plants myself at home.
Yeah,
Basically, we
you've
get,
got green fingers. I can see they're beautiful.
thanks to her, she taught me these little
Ah,
small plants in little water. And Marion's another one
of
who's crazy
course, of
about plants.
course.
So between the two of them,
I
they've,
loved the interview yesterday, by the way. It
thank
was so nice to
you.
see both your faces. I was just like, oh, like, get in there and give you all both a hug.
How sweet. Anyway, now everybody get in here and give us both a hug. Okay. Now in rapid fire, you have to answer quickly. You can't
Oh
think a
gosh,
lot,
okay.
okay?
Okay.
The first question. What is one thing you have on your bucket list that you have still to do?
Go to Peru.
Okay. Second, who do you admire the most?
Oh wow. Wow. This is like a mom. Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Okay,
Just
tell me 3 reasons why you admire her.
her sense of calm. She's got the sense of calm like I've never seen in anyone else. She's like the power woman. To handle all of us is like, wow, hats off. And she's just so loving. She's full of love. Yeah.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, if your life was a movie, what genre would it be and who would play you?
Ooh. If my life was a movie, it would be a funny comedy. Yeah, it would be a comedy, and who would play me? Wow. Ooh, can I get Jessica Alba?
Of course, you can get who you like.
Yeah, okay, Jessica Alba. Look at me.
Oh, wow. So a comedy with Jessica Alba.
Yeah, yeah,
Very nice.
yeah.
And like what would be if you say the beginning, middle and end. Okay, don't tell us about the end. The beginning and the middle.
The beginning is this little girl with dreams.
Oh.
Wants to travel the world and yeah, be a hairdresser, follow her dreams and everything. Yeah.
Oh. And the middle?
Yeah. The middle is, I guess,
Is now.
now. Yeah, the middle is now.
And end we don't know.
And we don't know.
Yeah. It could
Let's
be
see.
anything. Yeah, let's see.
You never know,
Okay.
Nandini, that movie might come out.
Yeah, watch this space for more. Okay. Hope. 3 things hope is for you.
3 things that I.
Hope is for you. 3
Okay.
things hope is for you.
Wow, this is a deadly one.
You can think about it.
Yeah, I hope to see. I mean, want that change in everything. Like I hope to see change in the future and just everything get back to normal,
Yes.
how it was. So I want to see that. Then, I'm gonna think on this one
Yeah, think, of course.
and get back to you. Yeah.
Okay.
This is I need to think on it.
Okay. You're allowed to think on it and then you can SMS me and I'll let them know.
Then you can post it.
Yeah, I'll post it. You know, when I'm doing your video, I'll post it
Done.
and then say
Done.
3 things that hope are for, 3
Yeah.
things that hope is for Samantha.
Yeah.
Great. 5 things you're grateful for. But that's easy.
I'm grateful for family. I'm grateful for friends. I'm grateful for the job that I do, that I'm so
Yes.
passionate about.
And that you're wonderful at.
Yeah, I'm passionate about it. To be grateful for that. You know, how many people can say that?
Yeah.
Family, friends, the work. My life in general.
Oh,
Yeah.
love you, Sam. You're too
Yeah,
good.
my
Yeah.
life in general.
Yes.
Jason, our home, everything.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so sweet.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's so sweet.
Yeah. Grateful. Yeah, like I said in the beginning, like this whole time is just giving us, that feeling of being grateful completely. Like how you woke up with the word forgive.
Yes.
I've been having that word
Grateful.
completely.
How
Yeah.
lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Later, I want
lovely.
you. Yeah, later I want you to take us for a round. Take me for a round and show me all your plans. Or you
Oh,
send me
yeah.
pictures later. Because from what I can see, I'm just loving it. So sweet. Neelu.
Oh, Angel, you're amazing. Love
Oh,
you.
I love you too. Love you too.
We'll
I
do
miss
it.
seeing everyone. Nandini, I hope to see everyone soon. Really.
We'll go through all the comments a little later with
Yeah.
everybody, and you
Yeah.
can maybe answer each one.
Really.
Do you want to do that now, and then we'll do some hair
Anytime.
tips?
I'm here. Would you like hair tips? I don't mind.
Why don't you
Like this.
just give everybody some hair tips?
Okay, so this is the time basically when you're not going to be blow drying your hair or using heat on your hair at all. So just take care of it, just deep condition it, do your little bit of home care.
Okay, Samantha, where
Tell
are we?
me.
Where are you getting hair products? If you want a deep condition, if you want to have
So
gray
right
cover,
now, I think only Nykaa.
okay,
I think Nykaa is delivering. So if you wanted to come to your doorstep, then
okay,
yeah, just get a good hair mask. Now that
yes,
one has the time, once a week you can put it in your hair and sit for about 15 minutes, half an hour.
okay.
Yeah, don't cut your hair at home. A lot of people have been telling me, I
Me,
want yes, Nandini, that's why I said
me.
a lot of people have been texting me and sending me pictures and saying, please give me a haircut. Or how do I cut my own hair? Do not. Just wait. You waited for a month and a half. You can wait for a little while.
You're the
Really.
first person I'm going to see once this is over because I'm going to come running to you to cut my hair.
Yeah, seriously, coming to that, a lot of people have been like, Sam, why don't you do hair tutorials and hair videos and all? I've just been enjoying this time as
Yeah.
Samantha time, not Samantha the hairdresser. Because I know
Yeah.
once this is done, we'll be back into
Yes.
chaotic mode. So I'm just like chilling.
That's why we love you because you're so different from everybody else. You're just Sam,
Yeah,
I mean,
really. Like
you
Raj
are
says, leave
amazing.
your hair alone, really.
Okay. Yes, Raj, we leave our hair alone.
Yeah, do not cut your hair at home and especially no cutting your own bangs at home.
Okay, I promise you, and I'm very sorry for every time I've done it.
Oh no, I think that happened just once, no?
No, 3, 4 times. And every time I say, did you cut your bangs at home? Yes, Sam.
Once it was little short, I remember, but yeah.
Once it was
The other
pathetic.
couple of times I didn't realize.
Then you banned me from bangs. Do you remember banning me? I don't
Exactly.
think you should do bangs anymore. I didn't have the guts to go near my scissors.
So
Okay,
cute.
what
I
other
think
hair
only
tips?
deep condition, take care, do not cut your own hair at home. For the boys, if you all are watching this and you all want to give yourselves a haircut, just get yourselves a nice trimmer and just take a bit of the sides and back. But don't really try and touch the top of your hair. Yeah.
And what else?
What else?
For
Even
hair.
oiling. I mean, even like your little hot, like a lot of hairdressers are all against oiling. For me, I'm just like, if it agrees with you and it works for your hair, then please go ahead and do it. So yeah, take time, give yourself that nice oil massage, Even when you deep condition, put a nice hot towel on your hair. Keep it in.
Okay.
Yeah, put a nice hot towel on the mask that you have. Leave it in for 15-20 minutes.
Okay. And what to do like for ends that are like very dry?
You just load your. So a lot of people like using their like your oils, your nashi oils and Moroccan oil, they like putting it after a shower. What you can do is, say you're washing your hair in the morning,
Yeah.
overnight, you can just load your hair with all that argan oil,
Okay.
braid it, and just keep it like an overnight treatment, and then
Oh.
shampoo it off in the morning.
Okay.
Like sort of a, all night.
Like a deep condition.
Yes. Just load your ends with that. So just
Okay.
sucks it in. Yeah, but split ends are split ends. You can't. They have to be cut. Nothing can mend. Look at Kimmy. She's like, yes, exactly. We all do that. All of us quietly do that overnight treatment. It's the best.
Okay.
It's the best.
And what, any oil?
And maybe for you, you'll need a few bottles though. Huh?
Look at it, yeah. I'm telling you, it's down to my hips, my hair.
Yeah, you'll need a few bottles.
Oof. But tell me something. Just say you don't have argan oil, or you finish your last bit of Moroccan oil. No, I think I do have it. But for those who don't have it and maybe can't get it, what other oil is good to use?
You can use, like, when you give yourself an oil massage on your scalp, just the remaining oil, you can just comb it through the lengths and ends. Don't load your hair with that because it's oil, so you'll have to really scrub it off, and that might dry the hair more. Safola, I love that.
Marian's asking, can you put Safola?
Let's try it. Come on.
Really?
You never know, it might just work. That could be the new rage.
Yeah, Safola.
Never know.
मेरे बालों के लिए Safola.
I will try it and I will get back.
Kimmy saying water and conditioner.
That's a good idea. No, seriously, because Kimmy's got a lot of color in her hair. So yeah, you can try that.
Water and conditioner.
Even after you shampoo your hair, if you don't have your argan oil or anything, just very little conditioner. Very little. You can just put it on your wet hair and comb through and use it as a leave-in.
Oh, wow.
But very little. Just that tad bit.
Okay. I'm going to try it right now after the call. I swear. I'm going to go wet my hair, put a little bit of that, and I'll message you.
As long as you don't cut it, Nandini, you're good.
Okay, Marian is saying, I heard face moisturizer also works.
Ooh.
Okay.
Raj is saying DIY.
Okay.
Lovely.
We'll try everything.
I want to do the Safola thing for sure, though.
Yeah, let me know, how it works.
I will. I've got all the time in the world.
Okay. And Sam, do you want to go through people's comments or any questions? Okay, Marian saying Safola works. She's tried it. And on her hair, yeah. Done.
Guys, now you all know. That is the trick.
Safola.
And you get the nice 1 liter bottle, so that's going to last you for... It's going to last you for a while.
Not me. It won't last me for a while, for sure.
Yeah, yours...
It's nice.
Oh, she's saying moisturizers.
She's saying no moisturizer.
Moisturizer.
Okay. Oh, moisturizer she's tried, not Safola. Sam, you want to look at the questions? Anybody has any questions?
One sec. Oh, so sweet.
Can read them. Miss you, Sam.
Oh.
Everyone misses you.
Oh, waiting to cut my hair, BBS summer cut. Neelu's dying for her cut and color.
Oh.
Oh. Waiting for the salon to open. Yes, me too. Pookie. I think you need to do a live tutorial. Okay, guys, I will do one with Neha's.
Yes. For eyebrows?
Yes. Watch Dangerous Lies. Yeah, I think it's just hugs and kisses and...
Read it out, na?
Coming over for... Sharon wants to come over for dinner. Sharon, you can come over for dinner anytime. Hi, Petra. My roots miss you too. Yes, everybody's roots miss me, Nandini, I think. We're going to have regrowth like this when we
Yeah,
post-lockdown.
yeah. Somebody saying any hair fall tips before I go bald.
Multivitamins.
Yeah. And no stress.
Yes,
How-
no stress. I'm telling you, Nandini, the no stress is just great for the hair and
Yes.
skin. Seriously.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Tashu. Hi. Oh gosh. Reading all these comments, I'm just like, I'm suddenly missing everyone even more.
Yeah, yeah. So now tell us, when are you going to do this eyebrow tutorial?
That we have to ask my head stylist, Miss Bena's Kaka. We have to
Bena's in
get
the
on board
house.
with her. Yeah, Bena's in the house. We have to get on board with her and she'll do a tutorial for all of us.
Okay. And on easy one, huh? No, not a difficult one.
Yeah, we don't... No, it'll be like a 5-step at least.
Okay. But I'm saying that it can be 10 steps also, but
It's not
you
just
know,
one thing, it's a whole...
but it's like eyebrow cleaning for dummies. Okay. Kimmy's laughing.
So cute, yeah. Wait. Looking. See, I'm very new to this. I've loved my first live Insta session, Nandini. I have to say, it's
Oh,
been
I'm so happy. We've had a lot of fun. It's a production, the eyebrows. Opinions on cutting hair at home. Do tell them no, you
Ashna,
can't.
no cutting your hair at home. No. Just give it a few more months, let it grow longer. But yeah.
Yeah.
Wait.
If I can suffer, everybody can suffer. What do you say?
Yeah. You've got good hair problems, Nandini. Having too much of hair is never a problem. I always told you that.
No, I understand, but it's like the ends are dry.
Yeah. You're sorted, don't worry.
Okay, I'm sorted because I have you, let me tell you. Okay? You and the girls.
Me and the girls. Gosh, I can't wait to see.
Same here.
Really.
Same here. Any last minute advice that you'd like to give or anything that you'd like to tell everybody?
Everyone just take this time and just do things that you've always wanted to do, that you've always said, I don't have the time to do it. Just do it. You want to learn, do a quick course in something or anything, just do it. Now's the time.
Yeah.
Women always complain that their hair doesn't grow. Yes. Yeah, I think Raj is telling you that.
Now is the time to
Yeah,
go
last
out.
time, yeah. Everyone who's always wanted long hair, the best time to grow it out. Just let it grow. Even the boys.
Oh, yeah.
Even the boys.
Somebody wants you to go over and cut their hair right
Love
now.
to come and cut my
Oh,
hair.
love to come.
Oh, Ashna, would love to see you too soon. Soon, I promise. When we open, she'll do that makeover.
Yeah. So when do you think are we going to see you for the eyebrows?
Let's.
Soon.
Nandini, I said I'm free. Bena's is free. We'll all three of us do a session. Come on.
Seriously.
I'm so serious.
3 can't do, you 2 do.
No, you and her do it. It'll be more fun. I'll
We'll call after this. We'll call after this and work out something. Yeah. Cope
Come
with
on.
hope. Do your eyebrows well. I mean, it is a
I'm
thing.
telling you, part of coping is to just, I'm telling
I
you,
agree.
do things for yourself do things that make you feel good.
Yeah, I agree
Not
with
really.
you.
I feel like honestly, it's made me healthier. This whole.
Oh, Kimmy is saying 3 can get on. Should we
Oh.
try now? We just add one person. But we won't have an interview. You want to try it? We'll ask Kimmy later after this.
Okay.
I don't know if this is it.
It's gonna say if the brows are not on. I don't think she'll answer.
This is.
We'll do a separate test call.
Yeah, we'll do a separate test. We'll do a test call tomorrow, day after, for sure.
Come on.
Yeah?
Come on. Bear saying
Yeah,
yes.
see, everyone's saying yes. Yes, it's definitely going to happen. Okay, going back to cope with hope. I mean, this was also cope with hope. Everything is part of it. The thing is to spend this time with your loved ones and with peace and happiness and kindness. And I think this session has been about that.
It
Just
is.
spending time well
It
with each
is.
other.
It is, and even just long chats with those friends on the phone who you don't
Yes,
really have time to sit and chit chat with in your busy day.
yes,
It's just nice, and just
yeah,
finding out how everyone is.
yeah. And because, as you said, we're privileged. We can take time off and do that. You know,
Yeah,
there's
I don't think we've ever used FaceTime so much or Zoom and
no.
video calling
And I've never done Instagram Live. This is my seventh day. I had no
and it's
clue how to do
amazing.
it.
But honestly, Nandini, I love this. I love this whole cope with hope. It's just lovely. It
Thank you, Sam. I
to see
wanted it to be
everyone's
like this.
to see everybody's point of view on the whole thing,
Yeah.
and it's
I
just
wanted
nice.
it. I wanted people to speak from the heart and about, about love and kindness and gratitude and just to share that part of life. Because
Yeah,
I think a new door has opened at the moment and we need to focus
everybody
on that.
caring for everyone.
Yes, yes,
Everybody's one.
yes,
Everybody's at that same point in their lives right now. So
yes. It's
it's nice to
lovely.
see people reaching out like they
Yes.
never have.
So thank you very much, Sam. This has been
Thank you,
lovely.
Nandini. Thank you.
And I
It's been
hope to
so
see you
good to see your
soon.
face, really. And I will get back to you with those 3 points. I haven't forgotten. I need to think
Yeah.
about it and get
Hope.
back to you.
3 points on hope.
Done.
And we'll also connect about Bena's and eyebrows.
Done. Done.
Yeah.
Really. Oh,
And
big hug, Nandini, and
a
big
big
hug to
hug to
everyone.
you. And
Everyone.
before we sign off, Sam, I wanted to say, and I want to tell everybody else as well, if you feel that you'd like to say something and that you'd like to, take something out there to people, just message me or message Sam, because I
Yes,
want to interview everybody. I want,
that's
I want,
amazing.
I want people to just give their points of view about cope and hope, and about how they're dealing with things. This is for everyone. Is that all right
Great.
to say, Sam?
Of course, of course. It's amazing.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah.
Thank you
It.
so much.
Thank you, Nandini. Thank you. You're doing this awesome thing, and everybody just loves it. I can't wait for tomorrow and the day after. Every day, 3:30, I'm going to be on.
Thank you. Okay, bye. Love you.
Bye. Love you.
Love you. Bye.